Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to use NetBeans IDE 16 to develop a Java web application. So we're going to use Java Servlet in this video. I have NetBeans IDE 16 open. So this is 16. You can actually use 15, 14, or even 12. It's going to be all right. But you need a Java web server. One of those web servers like Tomcat, Glassfish, Pariah, and Whitefly. So all this are fine. So I'm going to use Tomcat 10 in this video. So now first thing I'm going to do is to create a new project. So here's a file, new project, and new project. So under this categories, I'm going to choose Java with Ant, and here Java Web under Java with Ant. And this is the web application. So now go to next. So let's type in a project name. So I'm going to type this is CSCI 5335 and put it under my temp directory. All right, so now next here is a server. So you need to have a server. I have a separate video to show you how to install Tomcat. So you can go to this website, and you can Google Daniel Liang videos. And so here's Daniel Liang Java videos. And so if you look at this right here, download and install Tomcat 10. You click on this, you can watch the video to download and install Tomcat 10. All right, after you have this, and you can add Tomcat 10 right here. So I'm going to add, this is Apache Tomcat. So here is this, the one. And you can use others if you have Glassfish, Payala, Whitefly, so all here, this is fine. So next, this is the location. It is the default location I have here. It's right here. It is this Tomcat 10.1. So I'm going to open it. All right. So, but there's a message here says the specified server location photo is not valid. All right. I think this is the reason. I need to go back to this location right here. So this is right here. We have this Tomcat installed. So if you click on this, it's a permission issue. It says you don't currently have permission to access this photo. So choose continue. And now you go back to NetBeans. And do it again. And so now it is fine. And here you need to specify your Tomcat username and password. And the one we used when we create the installed Tomcat 10. So we have this username admin, and this is my password. All right, so I'm going to finish. Okay, so it is good. All right, I got it. And so this is the Tomcat server, and this is the context path. So this is good. Now I'm going to have next. So select the frameworks you want to use in your web application. Because I'm just going to use a simple Java servlet. I don't need all this frameworks. So I'm going to just say finish. All right, so this is now created. It's right here. So here we have it. And all right, so everything's fine now. And I'm going to create a Java servlet. Right-click on this project note. This is the new project I created. It's a web project, new servlet. If you don't see the servlet here, you can go to other, and you can see all this web, and here is a servlet. So, all right, so now I have this. I'm going to call this as test. All right, let's call it test servlet. Okay. All right, test servlet. Package, no package. So I'm going to click next. Now you don't need to use any package. So this is okay. Just say next. All right. So all here, please do this. Add information to deployment descriptor. So this is important so that you have this is the servlet name and the URL, or this is in the web.xml file. So now click finish. We have this servlet now created. There's a problem here. You need to change all this Java X to Jakarta. So that's for the Tomcat. This is, everything's fine now. And so I'm going to run this, right-click this, test servlet, and run file. And now using this, the default, UI, so this is the one here, and click OK. All right, so this is the okay. This is okay now. All right, so now if you see here, and use recommended settings, so this is okay, and just say ask me later. Okay, so I have it, and this is running here. It's a servlet, test servlet. It's running. Let's change a little bit here. Let's call this is my servlet, test servlet, and let's rerun this. I'm going to rerun this now and see if the change takes place. Okay, this is changes right here, my servlet. Okay, let's change another place here. I'm going to change it here is my servlet. All right. So now, and rerun this. All right, going back, you see my servlet. Okay, so this is, let's add another thing here. How about I'm going to add this? It's new java.util.date. So let's get a date and see if this is going to work here, the current time. All right, so now you're going to see here, oh, the current time is this. All right, that is all for this demo, creating a Java servlet using NetBeans with Tomcat 10. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.